Michigan Folding Doors and Sunrooms recently completed this project in Farmington Hills. Old sunroom panels were removed and replaced with bronze thermal frame and low-E argon gas windows. New picture windows and folding doors were installed to achieve an updated look with user-friendly functionality. 4 of the windows here are tilt-turn and offer 2 options for opening. Tilt-turn windows open into the room or can be vented with a simple latch release. At Michigan Folding Doors, each tilt-turn window is installed with a heavy-duty screen. These screens are designed to allow fresh outdoor air in and are strong enough to withstand heavy winds and keep pets from running through them. Every folding door we install opens smoothly on a specially designed track and includes an accordion-style screen, allowing the option to slide it open and tuck it out of sight or close it for a pest-free environment. New vinyl plank flooring was also installed on this project to bring it all together for a comfortable, functional, and stylish space. Michigan Folding Doors and Sunrooms has a skilled team to help with every stage of your next space. From consultation and design to installation and maintenance, our staff will make your home upgrade dream a reality. Enjoy the outdoors from the comfort of your home with Michigan Folding Doors. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for more videos of our sunroom and folding door projects.